Good morning students. The last part of your second experiment is finding the cube of a byte. You are going to write a assembly language program in 8051 to find the cube of a byte of a number. So this is cube, not square. It is the cube of a byte of a number. So you will be writing a program to find the cube of a byte of a number, and the software what you are going to use is Keil Microvision, and it solves many pain points for an embedded program developer, and it is also an integrated development environment. This is the program that we are going to see the logic. It is the logic of the program is you are going to multiply the number available in 40th location. So I am going to use in indirect addressing mode. To use indirect addressing mode, only the register R0 and R1 I can use it. So I am going to consider the memory location at R0, and inside this R0 I am going to give some data. That data need to be multiplied 3 times. So whatever data I am having at R0, I am loading it in A register. Same thing I am moving it in B register. So it means that I can, if I multiply AB 2 times, I have multiplied. Now after multiplying, I will have MSB and LSB. So MSB will be available in B register, LSB will be available in A register. So LSB I am not going to disturb. MSB I am going to load it onto my R1 register, because when I multiply that particular LSB and MSB with one more time at R0, then I will be getting a carry. So that result will be stored in 30th location, 31 location and 32 location. I'll show the proper execution of this program in Keil software. I'll first type the program in Keil to identify the cube of a number. Before that, I'll close my old file. I'll type my new file. Okay, I'll be storing the program, saving the program with the title cube.asm. After typing, I have to load the file in source group. Before that, remove this particular square.asm. Whatever file you are working, whatever file you are going to debug, only that particular file name should be available on the source, under source group. Right click the source group, add an existing file. In this, type cube.asm, add the file. Once the file is added, debug the program. So when you debug the program, you can identify what error is available. So here no errors are available, only warning is there. So warning is coming just because I have not added the end statement over here. Go to debug, give start stop debug session, give OK. Now I need to give the data in 40th location. So type D:40. So in this you type EF. So this data I need to multiply 3 times. Give run option. So when you do a run option, stop it. The data R0, R1, R2 will store the answer for the EF. So when you add EF 3 times, it is going to store the data in R0, R1, R2. Also you can find the answer in your 30th location also. So in 30th location, type 30th location. So EF is the data given in 40th location. In 30th location you will be getting, in 30th location you will be getting the answer D0, E4F, CF. So this program before execution and after execution is shown over here. When you give CB before execution in 40th location, it is going to give the answer for CB cube, where 30, 31, 32 will have 7E, A5, 73. So 30 will store your MSB data and 73 will store your LSB data. Thus your 8051 ALP program is written and simulated to find the cube of a byte given in the RAM location 40H, and the results are stored in 31H, 32H and 33H. Thank you students.